We are going to be using this food as makeup. You're gonna have to use a beat to beat that face. Okay. I have a very special guest. She is one of my best friends. She's a person who just loves to talk. Let's get her out here. My best friend, Miss Victoria. Victoria y Cartera. So Vicky.
Yeah.
I have brought us here today, and I've set up this lovely little table full of food. You know, I decorated it myself. I wanted to make it cute for you.
I see, very cute.
And we are gonna play something I like to call glam games.
Okay.
Okay.
Bring it on. What is this?
We're going to be using some food.
We love food.
We love food. We're always eating.
Always. Can't stop us.
So,
no, really, you can't.
I've supplied us with,
I've
found
made all of this?
I found all of it.
I've
made it super cute. And we are going to be using this food as makeup because we love food. So I thought, why not be innovative? And so I've got this little fun wheel of love where we're going to spin it, and like say you get beat, you're gonna have to use a beat to beat that face. And also, Sephora has so graciously also given us a bunch of products over here that we can also incorporate into our glam game.
Love everything.
Maybe I'm gonna bring our Sephora brushes here so we can get started. Ladies first, so maybe I should go first.
No, I'm your guest, so if
first.
I spin it and I get one, should you spin it too and then we start at the same time?
Oh yeah, let's do it that way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cute.
I'm gonna spin.
Okay.
1, 2.
I really hope you get beat. Oh, so close.
No.
Vic got candies.
I think I'm gonna do red.
Okay.
No, you spin it and then we can do it together.
Okay. Ooh, that was a good spin, not beat. Ooh.
Candies and beets.
No!
Yes.
What's gonna look best on my skin? Orange or yellow?
Can we split the red?
Oh,
you can do like a burnt look, like you were in the sun.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay, so we're gonna melt off the color of the candy.
Yes, we're little scientists over here.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take some coconut oil to make it more like
dense. Okay, it's like you've done this before or something. Oh. Like we said, Victoria loves to eat. Well, we've got some cute little conversation cards. Do you want to go first?
I'll start. What's the best beauty tip you've gotten?
Always wear your sunscreen. What was your biggest beauty fail and what did you learn from it? I feel like I know.
My hair?
What about the time when you dyed your eyebrows?
Oh. Okay, yeah, I did bleach my eyebrows.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
Didn't work.
I'm gonna try this, Carter. I
Right.
would use your finger like this.
Oh, okay. Wait, so you're trying it as what? As a little lipstick? Honestly? Wow. Just like a little red gloss. Okay, let's try our DIY lip gloss.
Smells good.
Wow, wait, honestly? Hey boys, these lips were made for kissing. So I feel like we should get into some contouring.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, so basically contour is, you have such good cheekbones.
Thank you so much.
So when you contour, you make this side here a little darker, so it pops, it defines your face.
So you want to use
Okay, so let's get a new
cocoa
plate.
powder?
Let's get a new plate.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just wing it.
You set up
so
my
look
line.
at me. This is here,
Okay.
and then other side. There we go.
Okay, yeah, show me what to do.
And then we blend up.
Huh.
I can see that side. And then you do a little bit of your forehead and your nose.
Oh, okay. Wow. OMG, I've never looked better. Maybe I'll add a little blush.
Yeah,
just
do that.
I'll just go like this.
You're so brave.
Thank you so much. So the food was fun.
It was fun.
I'm ready for the next game.
What's the next game?
I've created a little fun game for us
Okay.
called Face Off. So we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, and whoever loses gets to choose a trivia question out of this bowl.
Okay.
And whoever wins gets to start beating their face first.
Okay.
So let me get us our beat our face off trays. Boom.
Oh, this is fun.
Look at all these amazing products and stuff. Like, we actually love this stuff.
Of course. I mean, I shop at Sephora like way too much.
Yeah.
All my money is
Me
at
too.
Sephora.
And what's this for? Setting
The
spray.
setting.
Yes.
Do you know what that is?
Don't you do that after to keep everything in place?
Yes.
Should we start?
Rock, paper, scissors,
shoot. Oh, so sorry, sweetie.
Okay, so I lost.
You lost. So I'm gonna start beating my face
Good
first.
luck with that. Name 3 makeup artists whose brands are sold in Sephora. Makeup artists. Makeup by Mario.
Makeup by Mario. Okay.
Patrick Ta.
Patrick Ta, our friend.
And Charlotte Tilbury.
Wow, she did that so easily.
So then we're gonna do it rock, paper, scissors again.
All right, let's do it again. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my god. Whatever.
Ooh, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. What is this, Vic?
Lip gloss.
Rihanna, you really snap with this one, homie.
Name 1 beauty trend that you hate right now.
I feel like I know what you hate,
What?
but it's not really a trend.
Like a lot of foundation?
Yeah, you hate when it's like
A heavy.
cakey.
A heavy makeup. I don't know if that's a trend, but I just don't like
You don't
heaviness.
you like more like natural, like it's not so
Heavy.
Ah.
But that's what works on me.
Yes. So now that I won every single round of rock,
Okay,
paper, scissors.
should we do one last just to see if I win it?
Okay, one last
Okay.
game.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She got one! Wow, guys.
That was
and
fun.
Vic, now that I have a whole beat face,
And you look beautiful.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm a little hungry, so I've ordered us some goodies.
You did?
I did.
Okay.
Some cookies, some French fries, some chicken tenders, because I know you're hungry. I heard that stomach growling.
I am starving. I remember the one time that we had a fight. I don't know if you remember, but we were
I
at,
remember, and
Do
I know
you?
exactly what she's going to say.
He was so annoying. We were at a party. I noticed that Carter was a little too drunk. This was years ago, by the way.
Me?
Yes.
Never.
I
Or you at
remember,
all.
I go, Carter, should we go get a water? How dare you?
That's not the way she said it.
What?
She came up to me. You need water. You're disgusting. Everyone wants to throw you out of the party. You're gross. Flips hair and walks away. Could you believe? My
That is
feelings
such
were
a lie.
so hurt.
That is such a lie. That is not what happened.
Well, my Vicky, I'm
Yes.
so glad that you got to join me.
Thank you for having me.
This has been so much fun. I did it with my best friend, Victoria, and I can't wait to do more.
No, I cannot wait to see what you do. I'm so proud of you. Can I take this mirror home and some of these brushes?
We'll
'Cause
ask
I don't
the
think
team.
you need the next guest.
We'll ask the team what
you
they
don't
allow.
need this.
Okay.
De la nine.
I guess
Vanish.
Vic is just like going home with a bunch of goodies, guys.
Thank you.
Love you. Thank you for watching.